The screws are in. Now, I'm going to save you a lot of time and trouble. These buttons, as they come, are too long. So I take my sharp side cuts. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see this or not, but I just clip the tip of those off. And they always hit the wall way over to the right. Someday I'm going to find all these little pieces. But anyway, you can see what I'm doing. I'm cutting a millimeter or so off of these, every one of these buttons. Now that one I missed a little bit. If you don't get her quite off enough, wait till I get these other three and I'll show you what I do to get them right. And it always seems the power in these two and these ones are always the longest ones. Anyway, I take my Dremel now. Didn't get it all off of that, but sometimes you'll have little peaks. But I slow it way down and just kind of clean them up right there. Now this is also what I'll do when I find out that they're still too long. I don't know whether you see this or not. I have to review all this before I post it just to see. Anyway, we'll be back.